Why did Russia become socialist? All right, so Russian officials were in disagreement. The Tsarist system fell after World War One, leading Russia to become socialist. I don't. Let me clarify a little confusion here, right? So I gave you a brief history lesson on the United States and how they attempted to implement or try to force capitalism on the entire world. All right. Now, during this time, it was probably after World War II, right? Now we're going to discuss communism and its origins. So best way to do it is by discussing Russian history. So we went ahead and now we're going back to the Great War, all right? So World War One, all right, when the Tsar system fell. Now Tsar stands for emperor, right? So this was an emperor-driven system, and it fell after World War One. All right, and this kind of catalyzed Russia to engaging in socialism. All right, in a socialist society, there are no class differences. Everyone is considered the same.